Hi guys! Hello everybody! Welcome to Win's Life guys! Welcome to our cooking vlog. And for tonight's dish guys, for tonight's recipe, we are having fish. This is salmon. And I am going to make salmon with coconut milk. Ginataang salmon. Ginataang salmon in Tagalog. In the Philippines, they call salmon salmon. So it's the same, salmon, salmon. And this is just the salmon fillet or the piece that don't have bone. And this is the the flat piece of the salmon. I just cut it in pieces like this. I will show you the ingredients for our tonight's dish guys, which is ginataang salmon. That's the salmon. I remove the scale because I do not like the scale. So I scale the salmon because I want to use the skin part. And then onion, what's this? Ginger, garlic, and serrano pepper. I put my serrano pepper inside the freezer. That's why they look like they're frosted because it lasts longer if you put them in the freezer. And then I have a little bit of sugar. This is fish sauce, cornstarch, water, so we can make slurry to make the broth thicker. And I'm going to use a little bit of cumin and coconut milk. I wanted coconut cream guys, but I ran out of coconut cream. So the difference between coconut milk and coconut cream, the coconut cream is a lot thicker and a lot more creamier. So that's the coconut cream is the first squeeze. So this one they added water already. But I ran out of coconut cream, but that's okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is season this, and then I'm going to pan fry it in olive oil. And then we're gonna start sauteing. So I'm just going to season it with salt, pepper, chicken powder, and garlic and onion powder. Just pat it so it will stick to the fish. We're going to season the other side as well. But no more salt and pepper on this side. Olive oil. So I'm going to pan fry the salmon here, and then when we're done pan frying it, this is where I'm going to saute it also, so we'll get all the flavor from the fish. Guys, I'm going to put the onion first because the pan is already really hot. I don't want to put the garlic first because I don't want the garlic to burn. And then the ginger. Oh my, it smells so good! Then the garlic. Then we'll put some sugar, the fish sauce. I'm gonna put some chicken powder, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of brown pepper, the cumin, and I'm not going to put salt yet. I want to taste it first because we put the fish sauce. And I'm going to put the serrano pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the sugar and a little bit of salt. Okay, now I'm going to put the fish. I'm going to boil it or simmer it for a few minutes. Now I'm going to put some slurry. I don't need a lot because the sauce or the broth is already a little thick, so I'm just going to put just a little bit. I need to be very careful because I don't want to break the fish. That's it, guys. I think I like this thickness. Ginataang salmon or salmon in coconut milk. The smell is incredible. OMG. It looks so good and it smells so good. I cannot wait to have some. And the best partner for that is sticky rice, the glutinous rice, because glutinous rice is really good with the coconut milk. Let's dig in. Let's check, guys, how good the fish looks inside. And for the fish, guys, especially salmon, you don't need to cook it for a long time because you don't want to overcook the salmon. Oh my, look at that. It looks perfect. Perfectly cooked. Yeah, it's a good thing I didn't overcook it. Look how beautiful. I think I'm gonna be brave and eat it with the pepper. So guys, before I forget, before I start eating, before I forget, for this dish, you can also use any kind of fish if you do not like salmon, because I know a lot of people don't like salmon. And you can use any kind of fish, whatever your favorite fish. And you can also add spinach or cherry tomatoes or bok choy, because I do not have some of those. I wanted to put spinach, but yeah, next time I will make it, I will put spinach so you have vegetable. But since I don't have some, we're going to try it just like this. So let's try some. I want to try the broth first. It's a little spicy, but nothing I cannot handle. Nothing I cannot handle. I can handle it. Did I say that correctly? So first bite, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so creamy. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of the pepper. And I think I want the belly. I'll save that big part for first. I like the belly part because that one is a lot creamier because it's fatty. A lot fattier and creamier. spiciness. Just a little bit of pepper. Oh, I say the glutinous rice, guys. It's so perfect with this dish. Guys, if you are new to this channel, welcome to Win's Life. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now. Cheers.